Hello and welcome back to Web 2.0 Expo 2010 in San Francisco, and we have another very special guest with us today, Drew Houston, founder and CEO of Dropbox, one of my favorite utilities. In fact, we're producing the show of exchanging all the media files via Dropbox, so it's one of my favorite products. But it's still relatively new. You guys are still clearly a startup. So can you tell us a little bit about what you are, what you do, and why Dropbox is special?
Sure. So Dropbox is a really easy way to share files across your computers and with other people. We're based here in San Francisco, about 25 people, venture-backed by Sequoia and Excel. And
It's good backing.
yeah, I've been really happy with how things are going.
So what I like about Dropbox is that you install it. I have it on my Mac. I have it on my iPhone.
Sure.
You guys had that come out pretty recently. And I can just drag a file to it, and all of a sudden everyone else who's subscribed to just that particular Dropbox,
Sure.
I could have Dropboxes shared with everyone,
Mm-hmm.
and then the files just work.
Sure.
As opposed to a lot of people trying to exchange things via email. Like I discovered the hard way.
Yeah.
Gmail has a 25 megabyte limit,
Yep.
and you're done.
Yeah, our users run into that all the time. And that was one of the driving reasons to create that feature, is how frustrating it is. Most people are drowning in email attachments, so we're really excited.
And then keeping files synchronized and all that, right? So
Yeah.
I got like 8 attachments and 8 different versions, and what is this?
Yeah, there's no question for which the answer is using your email box as a file system.
So are you able to share the story about kind of what you were doing when the lightning bolt struck you?
Yeah,
and you said,
yeah.
How did you come up with this?
So I was actually back in Boston. So my co-founder and I were both MIT computer science guys, and I was at Boston South Station waiting for the Chinatown bus to New York, and I'm sure you've had these kinds of experiences too, where it's like you open your laptop and you're about to get started, and you have 4 uninterrupted hours to finally get some things done, and
none of the files.
my USB drive was back on my desk at home. So, like any self-respecting engineer, I started coding, and I'm glad I did because, never would have thought that that would be like the seed for something like that.
Create a big business out of that.
Yeah, that would now solve this problem for millions of people.
Yeah, well, so many startups have been created out of someone having a particularly painful problem and say, I'm going to make that go away so it never happens again.
Yep.
So very interesting. So tell us about the iPhone application. That's got to be interesting because they've kind of locked down.
So what we announced yesterday was what we call Dropbox Anywhere, and it was Dropbox for the iPad and for Android and for BlackBerry. And then we also launched our mobile API because we've had a lot of developers.
Oh, really? Good.
Yeah, they'd be really excited about building apps that integrate with Dropbox. So providing sort of a smooth Dropbox experience in a whole lot of new places.
So people can build, integrate their workflow automation tools and all these great things. Be able to share.
We've had hundreds of these different kinds of requests from different app developers. So it's really good, and it's something we've been working on for a really long time. So it's good to finally help these developers reach all their
audience. So and we actually cover a lot about APIs, and we're going to talk to Oren Michaels over at Mastery, and we had Sam Ramji from Sonoa on yesterday. How you guys get that opening up that API? Is it homegrown or?
It's homegrown. So we have a lot of sort of homegrown infrastructure on the back end. So it's been important, or we've had to build that out ourselves.
Right. Is that available now? Or?
It is. So you can go to developers.dropbox.com, and all of the API documentation, sample code, everything is all ready to go.
Beautiful. I look forward to checking that out. So just to wrap up real quick, is there anything that you guys got coming up that you can talk about? Is there an iPad app in the works? Or
the iPad app actually just launched, and we've been super happy with how that's been going. It was up to number 5 in the App Store of free iPad apps. And,
really? Okay, I got it on my iPhone.
I got to check it out. Check out where it is this morning. But we have a lot of exciting things coming, and we're really excited just to start rolling out some of the new mobile integrations.
Yep, fantastic. So I urge you to investigate Dropbox if you are trying to figure out how to share files via the web. That's the best tool I've used, I can tell you. And thanks so much for coming on board and the show, and we'll talk to you soon.
Sounds good.